Welcome to my project bazaar.com. Let me discuss about the process rank based decision fusion for 3D shape based face recognition. In this process, face recognition is one of the most biometric technique in developing the security world. In our proposed to use the robust method to recognize the 2D face using the robust algorithm. Principal component analysis techniques will help to extract the feature of face and to combine these values to recognize the face by using the KNN classifier, K nearest neighbor classifier, that all proposed process give very accurate result combined to the existing method. In that method, the performance of face recognition is improved. In the face recognition method is the oldest method in technology world. There are lot of methods was used previously. In the 2D face recognition, previous method extract the less amount of feature. Now we have to using the proposed technique is very efficiently. In proposed to extract the high amount of features compares to the existing system. In the existing system, classifier accuracy was low, so it gives the result the less accuracy. In proposed classifier is robust to classify the all features at the high efficiency. In proposed algorithm of PCA, extract the features of like surface of an image. That features are classified in robust classifier of KNN classifier to find the accurate face recognition. This is the flow of our process, the rank based face recognition. In step 2, ready the image or pictures for our process. In this process, first we load the query image. If the image is colored, we convert that to the gray image, and the gray image contain the RGB for give the color into the image pixels. The color image size is MNT, and the contain RGB for the given color pixels. If the RGB is removed, the color may change the grayscale image, the two-dimensional image. The image is converted to grayscale image is the noise. There are pixels. The image size change by because the image size is unique, so it was changed by same level. After the image size change, using the Gaussian filter to remove the noise in the query image. The query image noise removal is pixel values are removing the unwanted pixels in the image. That unwanted pixels are changed in every time to load off the image. That noise reduce the performance of the image retrieval, so it is remove the Gaussian blur. This is the result of blurring an image by Gaussian function. It is widely used effect in graphics software, typically reduce the image noise and reduce the detail. The visual effect of this blurring technique is smooth blur, resembling that of viewing the image through the transparent screen distinctly. The next step is to extract the features. The extract the features digital image in matrix form, so the processing time is high, very complexity. The vector is less complexity for the process, so the image matrix is converted to the vectors for easy process. There are so many transformer technique was used previously, the DWT, DCT, DST and FFT, etc. In our process, we use the principal component analysis for extract the features. The feature is vector transform of the given image. The PCA based feature extraction should be the profiles corresponding to the sample images and the total number of samples respectively. The samples were classified to the clinical sets of PCA applied in two ways. The method 1 and the method 2, the sample based, the mRNA based and sample based methods to be handled to the extract the features in the PCA. The train feature use the feature extraction process in every image of database and set of the values for each features for identify the feature values during the classification process. That process is same as the feature extraction of the query image, that all features are stored in database for retrieval and authentication process. The retrieval images should be the use the KNN method for retrieval the image in database. The K nearest neighbor classifier is the effective learner for a general pattern to recognize the domains. The KNN classifier are appealing because there are conceptual simplicity which makes them easily to implement. The KNN classifier allow the new information to be easily included at runtime and are thus useful for application that collects the user feedback. Gain and algorithm follows the basic structure of Addons by iterating through the training set to produce the ensemble of classifiers as the proposed hypothesis. However, during each iteration, instead of testing the current hypothesis with the whole set of training instances, boosted Gain and holds out a training instance and classifies the held out instance using the rest of training set. By using this clever one out method, each training instance will not help classify itself. This is important because by not leaving the instance out, the Gain and classifier will always achieve 100% training set accuracy, and boosting is not possible. In traditional boosting, it should be the instance the misclassified would have its weight changed by the Gain and algorithm. A weighted term is associated with each training instance and weight terms are initialized to 0. In this MATLAB main window, we have to concentrate on current folder, command window, workspace and command list of process. The command folder is very useful to load the executed files in our process. The command window shows the visual view for running of our process. The workspace is stored the values and variables of using coding parameters and the variables of our process. The command history is stored the all process obtained in the command window of our running coding. During the running, we have to run the process. Select the main.m, right click and click run. After clicking run, we have to visually view the window for our process. Face recognition is still running. It takes some time to obtain the window for our process. This is the initial process of our robust 2D face recognition using principal component analysis and Gain. First of all, we have to click the browse button to get the input of our process. I get the image from query image. I select the second image. The image should be viewed in the display of our process. Next, we have to click the filter button. After clicking the filter button, the noise should be removed from the input image because they improve the quality of input images to remove the unwanted pixels in the input image. Next, we have to click the PCA, Principal Component Analysis. After clicking the Principal Component Analysis, we have to see the input image should be separated from the applying the algorithm of Principal Component Analysis. First, we have to extract the test feature of our process. Click the extract test feature. We have to display the values should be the all values should be the training of our process, each image. Next, we have to extract the training feature. After clicking the extract training feature, the weight bar should be low or processed from. We have to extract the train feature of our process, and then finally we train the features. In the train the features, we have to see the flow of our process to obtain the how to retrieve the image to flow the between the class value of classification in class 1 to 5 of our process between the image and class value. Now this is the final window. In that final window, we have to click the retrieval to retrieve the face recognition process of our input image. After clicking the retrieval, we have to show the class value for classification graph in the classify value and between the classify value and the class of the process. This is the original retrieved image of our process. In the retrieved image, you have to the another step is the analysis of our process. Analysis is very useful to analyze the classifier using the principal component analysis of our process. After classify process, we have to display the value should be the class accuracy. The accuracy of the result should be the notified the processing the input image to retrieving the output image. We have to conclude our process. We have to take the input image to applying the PCA principal component analysis to finally retrieve the original image very effectively and successfully done. And also the accuracy should be validated. Thank you.